Hey guys, welcome to another video. So I am finishing up making a batch of raspberry woods, which is one of our newer body butter scents. And I had a little left over, not really enough to do anything with. And then I thought I could just show you guys a quick lotion bar DIY. So I will pop up a recipe right now that you can look at, and that'll help you kind of go through the process. But basically you want to have oil, butter, fragrance, which is all in here, and then you're going to need a wax to kind of keep it together. And then I'm using white beeswax petals. I buy these in bulk and then I just transfer them into a bag. You can buy smaller sizes on Amazon. You don't have to use the white, you can get the yellow. It just will be a yellow body lotion bar, which is perfectly fine. Since I'm not making a huge batch, I'm just gonna heat up the beeswax in a glass container in the microwave. Hey guys, had to hop in really quickly and do a voiceover because I misspoke. So I had about 3 ounces of the body butter base, which is the fragrances, the oils, and the shea butter, mango butter mix. And in order to have the lotion bars at a nice consistency and be able to stay but still melt when you put it on your skin, you want to use about equal parts of the beeswax pellets. So refer to the recipe that I also will pop up a little longer at the end of the video. But I also was telling you that I use glass because I feel like it's just safer. Beeswax takes a long time to melt, and if I'm going to do it in the microwave like I did here because I have a small batch, the glass will be hot, but it will also, it won't be so hot that, if I put it in a plastic container, sometimes you risk it melting. So again, refer to the actual recipe. Okay, I'm back. So that took 3 50-second bursts. I do it that way so that I don't overheat, but then because this is glass, it gets hot, so you need an oven mitt. But it is completely melted. When it came out after that third 50 seconds, I just had to stir it, but there was enough heat in there to do it. So this is just the beeswax. So now I'm gonna take this body butter base and pour it in here. And see, like I told you, it just gels. So just gonna pop this back in the microwave for another 40 seconds or so, and I'll be right back to show you. And then I just pulled out a silicone mold, got these off of Amazon. I'm just, like I said, I had some spare, figured I'd make a lotion bar, so it's just for me. We do sell lotion bars, and they're in different molds, and that's always listed in the videos where you can go to our website to look at our products. But I will pop this back in the microwave to get it completely melted, and I'll be back. Okay, so popped it in the microwave for about 45 seconds, and you see it just melted back down. Stirred it back together. You don't want to like do long periods of time, and this is like a quick thing. When I actually make like big batches of lotion bars, I do it on a double boiler on the stove, just because I feel like I have more control. But this is hot, so I have on my little oven mitt, and I'm just going to transfer it into the silicone mold. We'll see how many bars I can get. I'll stop there and I'll do 2, I think. These will solidify. I usually just let them sit, definitely overnight, but until whenever. And they'll solidify, then I pop them out. And because they're just for me, I'll just put them in probably like a little plastic Tupperware bowl and use them. And that's about it. So I will again pop up the recipe for you, but also go to noirebyfifi.com. You'll see at the top, it'll be a tab that says resources. That'll have a drop down, click on DIY, and you'll see Lotion bar right there. If you click on it, the actual recipe will be there as well. So that's another way that you can get that. If there's something you'd like me to make that I haven't, let me know in the comments. I don't know how to make everything, but I'm willing to try. So I guess that's it. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Check out some of our other DIY videos. We have an entire playlist that I will add to the end card. And thank you guys so much for watching. And as always, I'll see you at the next one. Bye.